Today I'm going to share the recipe of a quick fish curry with you, and this is such an easy recipe. You almost need just to make a chutney. So it's got a lot of coriander and chilies, some black pepper, and you make a chutney, you marinate the fish and you just put it for cooking. 500 grams of Indian salmon or ravas, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. We are going to marinate in this. The turmeric also helps in getting rid of some of the fishiness. So now I'm making the chutney or the masala. A bunch of coriander, onions, 6 cloves of garlic, a slice of ginger which is about 1 inch, some water, grind it. And I've also added some olive oil to this, 1 or 2 tablespoons, and we are going to cover this and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of black pepper right now. This is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Looks, I've topped it with the olive oil, and you can eat it as it is or with any of your keto roti. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments section how it turned out. Also click pictures and share it on my social media handles. And thanks for watching. Bye.